The video shows a meniscal tear in the medial meniscus. First we see the diamond rasp being used to freshen up the surfaces of the torn meniscus. The first of the fast-fix all-inside devices is then deployed. First this is placed beneath the meniscus, on the inferior surface. It's deployed either side of the tear. The posterior or back component of the tear has now been fixed. This knot needs to be tightened, and a knot pusher is introduced to arthroscopically tighten the knot. The second fast fix is placed on the superior surface. Again, it's deployed either side of the meniscal tear. Again, the arthroscopic knot pusher is then used to tighten up the knot, at which point we see the meniscus lifting up slightly. The third fast fix device is then deployed on the inferior surface, again either side of the tear. This is a very typical tear, and now we see the meniscus closing down nicely with the arthroscopic knot pusher. A final device is then placed on the inferior surface. Again, the fast fix is deployed either side of the tear. With this all-inside approach, no external incisions are required. This is all done through a keyhole approach. The final fast fix is tightened with the knot pusher and the suture cut. The probe is inserted and the tear is beautifully stable.